What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. We are back for another video. Happened to be out in what the hell area? Ontario. So yeah, of course we do have the Ontario Mills, one of the biggest outlet malls. So yeah, they have a Nike outlet. Let's go check them out. All right, this mall's pretty big. I happened to park right next to the Nike outlet, which is dope. All right, let's look around. Yeah, they've had that sign for quite some time. Don't necessarily be fooled though. Don't do it. Don't do it. All right, huge outlet mall, but this Nike outlet's not that huge. All right, let's look. No clue why, but starting off in the size 10s. Okay. Do got some Space Jams. I haven't seen these in a long time. To be able to get this for 20% off, that is not bad. Not bad. I hope you guys are paying attention to my videos though, because man, the LeBrons, they've been on big time sale. People scooping up for 80 bucks a piece and stuff on the Nike website. Hope you guys were able to get a piece of that if you guys like LeBrons. Center courts right here. Retail game though. Delta Breeze, more retail. Buck 30. What are these? Patent leather. The bad boys right here. Okay. Some Chuck 70s. Retail, at least you get 20% off, I guess. Niner stuff right here. This is a size 10. Okay. Pegasus 38s. Retail though, man. Size 11s, kind of more the same. Are seeing a ton of open spots, so looks like they're low on merch. But the 20%, that comes from headquarters, so they kind of have to do that. Maybe they adjust the prices. Maybe that's how they do things. I don't know. In the size 11, there's a 10.5 here. There's the Jordan 200s right here. Look like the Air Max 200s. Tempo next percent going for 110. Got these for hella cheap for one of my boys. I guess we're on the size 12s now. Vaporfly next percent go for $120. That's actually, oh, if it was the actual shoe. These are Pegasus. What the hell? Hate it when we get tricked like that. Just like these wannabe Air Max 90s. Got some Air Max IVOs going for retail. Size 12. Go Fly Easy. If I found these for cheap, I would get one for a family member. Just keep getting tricked. Some flights right here. $130 for those, size 11. Oh, these Air Force Ones, these are actually pretty dope. $140, size 12. Some interesting textures. Yeah, look at that, different materials. What else? Is it like a nylon? It looks like a coated nylon or something. But yeah, look at the fat laces. I'm a big fan of those fat laces. Not a big fan of the regular price. I guess we do get 20% off. It's better than nothing. I'm in the biggest size section, not real sales. Size 15 got Air Max 2017s right here, go for $120. Some Air Forces, size 13s, go for retail. What is this? What the hell is this? Air Max Alpha Trainers. Okay, that's it for the big sizes. I did see these slides, one deck flip-flops. I'm not looking for flip-flops, but $10. And then you get 20 off to $8. They got Victory slides too. I don't know how much the Victory slides are though. Checking out the smaller sizes now. You can see all the empty slots. I do need some slides like that. I think, is that the exact same one that my kid already has? I need some slides for my kiddo. And the smaller size 9.5 right here. Zoom flies go for their retail thing. I thought they were on sale. Never mind. Kyrie's, seen these on the Nike website for hella cheap. Community colorway. This is size 7.5. I don't know what it's doing here. It's retail. More size 9. Daybreaks go for 100. Then more Victory 1 slide. That's a Benassi slide. But it's like regular price. Really? Okay, so it is $22. I think this is the exact same colorway my kid has already though. All right, we're checking out the aisles. This might be one of the quicker episodes. We'll see. They do have a Jordan section. Well, kind of do got the Jordan access. I was like, this is the Jordan Comfort 11 Comfort lows, right? Okay. These don't look as bad. These look 10 times better than the lift-offs, which are coming up right here. Significantly better than those. And looks like there's another colorway. I don't know. Oh, more Comfort 11s maybe? Oh, I don't know. Got some fly traps. More of those. Dang, ton of fly traps. $60. Looks like $60. Okay. KD Tray 5. What is that? 8s? KD Tray 5 8s. I don't know why I can't talk. The Zions going for a hell of a good price. I'm just not a fan of that colorway. Kind of do want a Zion 1 though. Just not that colorway. Series 0.5s. We know these are going to be hella cheap eventually because they don't sell at the retail shops. Tailwinds, dang, Venture Runners. If you like the old school, that's hella cheap right there. Kill Shot 2 leathers, another one of those. Air Max 2090s. Giannis Immortality. These are Tentacupo's budget shoe right there. Witness 5s, another one of those. This is what I'm talking about. I kind of need one of these for my kiddo, but what's up with them prices though? What's up with them prices? I think they're trying to get retail. Yep. Ooh, maybe I'll grab these. Oh no, he didn't like the Velcro. He didn't like the Velcro. I do love these though. And I'm gonna be honest, I think I lost my black ones. I don't know what the hell happened to my black ones. Should I grab one of these for Vegas? This actually has some decent arch support too, so I can actually wear these all day. Should I grab one of these for Hawaii? Thinking about it. Then they got this stuff right here. Got some boots. Okay, we don't really need boots in LA. Not this time of year, but 70 bucks. I don't know if you wanna stock them and hold them for winter. It is on sale. Then just this type of stuff. I don't even know the names of these things. And yeah, this kind of shows everything, dude. It shows everything, man. Still crowded though. Still crowded, especially midday during the week. What the hell is this right here? What's this right here? A bunch of downshifters, a bunch of. Okay, nothing too crazy. All right, they do got some legit running shoes in the men's section right here. Alpha Fly Next Percent. Look at this, the Shield, Pegasus Shields right here, go for hella cheap. Kind of a mess. I don't think I've ever seen this mess yet. Too many of the Nike Airless. Wow. Vaporfly Next Percents right here. One step down from the Alpha Flies. Okay. Pegasus. These are the 37s. We've seen a bunch of these and they're priced a little bit higher than some of the other spots. A couple more Pegasus or Pegasi, but nothing too crazy. All right, let's go check out the women's section real quick. Women's clearance section right here. Of course, 20% off. Starting off with the huge sizes, size 12, 2 bills. I was wondering if this would be really cheap. Alpha Next Percent. Size 11, got some OGs right here going for retail. Had that one chance to get them Alpha Flies, but I was in a crappy mood. Damn, clearance center. I do got the Invincible Run Flyness go for 100 bucks right here. Size 11. Should be a 9.5 men's. This is interesting. A Windflow, go for 90. Some Tempo Next Percent Flyness. This is size 10.5. Okay. Retail, I guess. That's a Nike by You. That's a pretty interesting colorway. Size 10. What are these? Daybreaks go for $110. Damn, kind of like the men's. Just not finding much on sale. Zoom Flies go for $160. Not finding much heat either. Just some running shoes. Infinity Run Flyness go for $90, size 9. The Infinity Tour, the Roshi Tours, my bad, $75, size 9. Even the Converse, women's size 8. These are, man, they still go for regular price, $165, damn. These are different. The Air Max Thea, size 8, go for $75. Size 7, some Air Force Fontankas, the one with the React on them. Decent materials. This one has decent material, but still regular price. Just not much in the women's section. Did get that 20% off, but not really finding much heat, not really finding much variety. Scouring the aisles in the women's section, not really finding much. Some Zoom Air Fires, these kind of remind me of those Stussy Air Max, but yeah, I don't really see much. Air Max 2017s here, some Vans, some cycling shoes right here, Super Rep Cycles, Super Rep with the Zoom X on it, Super Rep Go. Got a couple of running shoes here, but I don't see any great deals. Grade school section, not really seeing much. Even the Zions go for $70. Zoom for 3s go for $70. Air Max 2021s. Yeah, I know these are different. I'm just not a fan of them. All that plastic in the back. It's interesting. Flytrap 3s. Prestos. Pretty decent price. Air Max 90s with the smiley face on it. Air Max Axis. Just budget stuff like that. All right, let's go check out the clothes. Let's go see what's up. Do got 20% off apparel, but I did kind of do a little preliminary search. Nothing crazy. Damn, what the hell is this? Looks like a Von Dutch shirt from way back when. Yeah, 40 bucks for that. Size small. Large Nike Trail windbreaker going for 50 bucks. Normally 120. Get that extra 20 off. Did see these Laker shorts. These are fire. But yeah, these are both regular price, and they're both smalls, 80 bucks a piece. Guess you get $16 off, but not enough of a discount for my cheap bud. Yeah, I got some dry fit stuff here. This is a small though. Yeah, regular price. Man, no discounts. Not much today. Yeah, these pants, we saw these funky looking things last week. Are these like the really expensive sweats? I have no clue why. Oh no, I guess not. $30 for these XL sweats, pretty thin. Just not much today, guys. Not much today. I think we're done. Dude got a viewer. We got Joe right here. He's wearing Bread 11s. Looking dope. I like the way he paired it with the shorts too. Appreciate you checking out the channel. Appreciate supporting. I think I'm out, you guys. I think I'm out. Yeah, just not much. All right, let's wrap it up. Still got a fat line though. Always a fat line here. One of the busier Nike outlets. But we're done. Let's go. All right, guys, that was the Ontario Mills Nike outlet. Do have a few other videos coming from this outlet mall. This was from earlier in the week. I do apologize. This was from this week, but it was earlier this week. They started a new promotion, and if you guys do follow my Instagram, I did show that on my Instagram. But they do have a new promotion where members get 20% off. And then some Nike outlets do have a 20% off the clearance section. Some don't, so it kind of depends. I went to a few different outlets today, and some of them had it, some of them didn't. So you know, it is what it is. But yeah, so make sure you guys check out some of the Nike outlets. The ones that normally do let you stack the deals like that, you know, by now hopefully you guys visit the Nike outlets enough to know which ones do that, which ones don't. Because yeah, if you can, some of them, if you can get that 20% off the clearance and then get another 20% off of the membership, man, that's what's up. That's what's up. If you guys follow my Instagram, you guys saw me get this for pretty much free, which was freaking crazy. Do have so I'm gonna like I said, I'm a little behind on videos. I do apologize. Work's been crazy. I think I worked what 65 hours this week, and you know, it is what it is. So I wasn't able to edit all these videos and get them to you. I do apologize, but yeah, we're gonna knock out these the Ontario Mills videos. Then I went to Northern California, went to a couple outlets out there. I think I was only able to hit up 3, and then I'm gonna hit up some more outlets tomorrow because I want to see what's up with this 20% off deal and stuff. And I need to see if I can get some more apparel for free because this was pretty much free. So it is what it is. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. Thank you so much for making it to the end. Definitely appreciate you guys supporting my channel. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram because you know, like I try to release stuff soon as I'm there, like, or before I even leave. Try to provide that to you guys. I'm gonna be honest, it's primarily aimed towards the collectors, but you know, more than half the people that follow me on Instagram are resellers. So you know, for the collectors, if you guys don't get it quick, it's gonna get picked up. So you guys have to be quick. You guys have to be on it. You know, even on the videos, like once in a while I will release something on the videos and it'll be like the day after the visit, and then you guys have to act quick too, you know. Or if I show you guys in a live stream, I haven't done a live stream, but if I show you guys something in a live stream, y'all have to be quick because, you know, like a lot of the stuff that I do show you guys, there's resale value. So, you know, people are gonna go pick up stuff quick. This one I pretty much got for free, like I said. I think this was the last medium there, and I think there was a large, and then by the time I stood in line, they only had XLs. So it is what it is. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for supporting my little channel. Hopefully the content is useful. Hopefully the information is useful. Hopefully it's entertaining. I don't know. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you help your boy out. Press that like button if you're new. Press that subscribe button. Click on that notification bell. I got plenty of videos coming. My goal, usually a video every day. I think my work schedule is going to be better this week, so I should get you guys plenty of videos. And yeah, I got plenty coming, guys. See you guys next one. Peace.